everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is our monthly Sunday Reset Collab hosted by our amazing friend Angel McMillan. We'll have her channel linked in the description box below, as well as a link to the playlist. So please check her out and everyone on the playlist. You're all amazing. And now I'm going to send you over to Rob while he cleans his kitchen.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound from some street choir caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again. That
running late. Let's put the food on the table fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. On this cold December night, there is one star shining bright, and it shines for you and me. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. flickering shadows, cold nights. Hearing the wind blows the snowflakes reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Christmas, a time to be cheerful and joyful, but baby, you left me alone. So send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. So show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. My only wish this year is for you to be here. Show me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Oh, show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this Sunday Reset video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when next video is coming out. And as always, all of our social media will be linked in the description box below, as well as a link to Angel's channel and a link to the playlist. So please check her out. She's amazing, and also the playlist. You'll love everyone. And thank you for watching.